Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be working with the lovely Hurela hair. They sent me this gorgeous BodyWave wig. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig in BodyWave, like I said, 150 density and 18 inches. So she is on the shorter side, but that is fine because it's summertime and we do not need no inches for real. So get into this. In today's video, I pretty much just showed you guys how I did the glueless install, as well as baby hairs, curls, and all that jazz. So definitely stay tuned till the end so you can see how I did it and how I got my wig to look just like this. Thank you so much, Hurela. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Stallion, you ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work on my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Whoa. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work on my way. Girl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work on my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50 all the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. Take jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any night, to the work on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work on my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work on my way. We work on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work on my way.
Alrighty mama, so I am finally done and this is the finished look. You guys know I always live for a good body wave look, and this one is definitely it. It's hitting every single mark. This wig is 150 density and it is still so full of volume. Like, I love these curls on me right now. I know they're gonna drop to waves and be so cute, but as for right now, the curls are sitting, okay honey, period. This wig is from Hurela Hair and they sent me this 13x4 lace frontal wig, 150 density like I said before, in body wave and 18 inches. So this is what she's looking like. I did go in and put a few layers in it just so that these curls could have just a tad more volume. When you need more volume with a wig of 150 density, 180 density, and shorter lengths or longer lengths, it doesn't really matter. Just cut little layers in it, just little snips here and there, just so it can give the hair some more dimension and it won't just be flat. And this is absolutely perfect. I am living for it, okay, period. I actually have a nail appointment that I have to run to right now, but this install was amazing, such a breeze, so easy, and the wig is 100% glueless, so I can take this off at night, or if I was supposed to go get my natural hair done right now, I would be able to pop it off, go do it, put my wig right back on. So I'm loving it all by using just the adjustable bands in the back. So Hurela, your wigs are amazing. You did that. I am in love with this BodyWave wig, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and the links will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, mamas.